What is an axiomatic system in Euclidean geometry? Imagine building a house with no blueprint. You might end up with a structure, but it could be unstable or confusing. That's why we need clear rules to guide us. In geometry, these rules are called axioms. An axiomatic system in Euclidean geometry is a set of basic statements, called axioms or postulates, that are accepted as true without needing proof. These serve as the foundation for everything else we learn about shapes and space. Think of them as the starting points from which all other geometric truths are derived. Euclid, a famous mathematician, created this system over 2,000 years ago. He started with simple ideas everyone agrees on, like a point has no size, and a line is a straight path that extends forever. These are called undefined terms because they are understood but not formally defined. Using these undefined terms, Euclid defined other concepts like angles, circles, triangles, and polygons. For example, he described a circle as all points at a fixed distance from a center point. These definitions help us understand the properties of shapes. Now, the axioms or common notions are general truths that apply broadly. For example, things equal to the same thing are equal to each other, or the whole is greater than the part. These are not specific to geometry but support logical reasoning. The postulates are specific to the geometric world. They include rules like a straight line segment can be drawn between any two points, or a circle can be drawn with any center and radius. They also include the idea that all right angles are equal and a rule about how lines behave when crossed. These simple rules form a logical system. From them, Euclid proved many other properties of shapes and space. This method makes geometry clear and organized, so anyone can follow the steps to understand why shapes behave the way they do. In real life, this system helps architects, engineers, and computer graphics artists. It ensures that their work is based on solid, agreed-upon principles. So, an axiomatic system in Euclidean geometry is basically a set of basic, accepted truths that build up the entire structure of flat space geometry. It makes understanding and exploring shapes easier and more reliable.